वीडियो ऑफ आवर सीरीज ऑफ चैप्टर एक्सपोनेंट पावर. सो इस वाली वीडियो में ना हम डिस्कस करेंगे द लॉस ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंट. सो देयर आर द two types of the laws, one in the same base and one in the same power. So same base, when the base is the same, so like first a power m multiply a power n, that means a power m plus n. So in this case the base is same, so this is the a, this is the a, so a that can be any digit is there and m is can any digit there, like a power m multiply a power n. So what do we do in this case? We add the exponents. Like for one example, like if I write 2 power 3 multiply 2 power 4. So in this case the base is same. What is the base in this? 2. This 2 and 2, the base is same. So in this case we add the powers. So 2 power 3 plus 4, that is 2 is the 7, right? So one more example for this, like if I write 3 power 2 multiply 3 power 4 multiply 3 power is 5. So in this case again the base is same. So what do we have to do in this? So same base, the base is same. So that means 3 power 2, 3 power 4, 3 power 5. So that means we add the powers. So that 3, 5 plus 4, 9 is 11. So 3 power is a 11. Now second one. Second, if a power m upon a power n. So what do we have to write? So that means a power m minus n. So in this case, like 2 power 3 and 2 power is 1. So again the base is same. Both 2 is a base and 3 and 1 the exponent. So in this case we subtract the exponents. 2 power 3 minus 1 is a 2. So one more example for this. Like if I write 4 power 3 upon 4 power 1. So in this case again the 4 is the base and these 3 and 1, what we do in this, the base is same and in division form then we have to subtract 3 minus 1, that is 4 power 2. Now third one is this, like if a power m and the whole power is n. Like one example for this, what we have to do in this, that is a m multiply n. The example for this, like if I write 2 power 5 and whole power is 3. So that is a, this is the base and power, then again whole power is there. So in this case we multiply the powers. 5 3s are 15, that is 5 3s are 15. One more example if we discuss, then if I write 3 power 2 and whole power is 3. So this a power m power n. So what do we do in this case? Again we'll multiply. 6. So that is 3 raised to power 6. I hope you understood this concept. In the next video, we'll discuss the laws of the exponent for the same power. Hello everyone, this is Rahul Manchanda and I am going to start the series of chapter exponent power. So इस first video में ना हम सबसे पहले समझते हैं actually exponent power होता क्या है. But the concept is this, like if I write 2 power 3, what is the meaning of the 2 power 3? 2 power 3 means 2 multiply 2, that is 8. अब स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ मिस्टेक कहाँ करते हैं, उसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 2 को 3 के साथ, that is 2 3 is 6, that is wrong. So what we have to do, that 2 raised to power is 3, that means we have to write 2 3 times. One more example, like 3 power is 3. So 3 3s are 9 नहीं होता इसमें. What we have to do, we have to write 3 times. So 3 multiply 3, that is a 27. Okay, one more example. If I write 4 power 4, 5 power 4. 5 power 4 means that is 5. How many times we have to write? 5 we have to write 4 times. So 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. That is 6 to 5. Understood? So अब इसमें कुछ डिस्कस करते हैं व्हाट इज द टर्म्स इन दिस. देयर आर थ्री टर्म्स, वन इज एक्सपोनेंट, वन इज पावर एंड वन वी द बेस. तो इसमें तीन टर्म्स जो हम यूज करते हैं, दैट इज एक्सपोनेंट, पावर एंड द बेस. फॉर एग्जांपल, if I write 5 power 3, 5 power 3, that means this 5 is called a base. This is the base, and this 3, this is called the exponent. And whole, with the power in this whole is called a power. Right, 5 power 3, otherwise I can write 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, that is 125. This is also called a power. So 5 power 3, this whole is a power. One more example, like if I write 2 power 4. So in this, base is the 2. This is the base. And this 4, this is exponent. And this whole, that is called the power. I hope you understood this concept. In the next video, we will discuss the exponent can be positive or exponent can be negative. हमने जो लास्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था एक्सपोनेंट पावर की सीरीज में कि व्हाट इज द एक्सपोनेंट, व्हाट इज द पावर एंड व्हाट इज द बेस. नाउ इस वाली वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक्सपोनेंट कैन बी पॉजिटिव और एक्सपोनेंट कैन बी नेगेटिव. वन एग्जांपल, इफ आई राइट 2 power 3, otherwise I can write 2, that power is -3. So in this case, 3 is a positive exponent and in this 3 is a negative exponent. So what the positive exponent tell us how many times a number multiply by itself. That means कि एक 2 को कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 3 टाइम्स. जितनी पावर उतनी टाइम इसको मल्टीप्लाई. Here the exponent is 3, so means हमको 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है 3 times. That is, in this the exponent is the negative. So what in this, what the negative exponent tells, it tells how many times we multiplied the reciprocal of the base. So that means here is the 2. But the reciprocal of the 2, that is 1 by 2. अब 1 by 2 को कितनी बार लिखना है, कितने टाइम्स लिखना है, 3 times, because the exponent is the 3. So that means 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2. So that is 1, 2 power is 3. So 1 2 power 3, we can write 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. In this, that is 8. One more example. If I write 3 power 3 and I write 3 power -3. So in this, we have to multiply 3 times. That is 27. So in this case, the exponent is the negative. So what do we have to do? We have to reciprocal. And we have to write how many times? 3 times. That is 1 upon 3 power is 3. That is 1 upon 27. Right? So base, in this, base is the integer. So base can also in the fraction, like 2 by 3. 2 by 3. And the exponent is 3. Positive exponent. If I write 2 upon 3, and this case, the exponent is the negative form. So what do we have to do in this? So 2 is power 3 and this 3 also power is 3. So we can write like this way. Okay. So how many times we have to write 2? 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. And 3 into 3 into 3. That is 8 upon 27. For this is the, if the exponent is a positive. Now when the if exponent is a negative, so what do we have to do? We have to reciprocal this first. So 2 by 3, reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. And the power now it's become a positive. So what do we do in this case? 3 power 3 and 2 power 3 also. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. And how many times we have to write 2? 3 times. That is 27 upon 8. हमने डिस्कस किया था the laws of exponent for the same base. Now in this video we'll discuss the laws of exponent for the same power. Like the same power, first in this the base is different and the power is the same. Like the first law is a power m multiply b power m. So that means we can write collectively a b power m. So what is the meaning of this? In this the base are different but the power is same. So An example, we write this like this way. So 2 power 3 multiply 3 power 3. So in this, the base are different, but the power is same. So we multiply the base. 2 3s are 6, and the whole power is 3. 6 power 3. One more example for this, like 3 power 4 multiply 4 power is 4. So in this case, again, the base is the different and the power is same. So how we can write this? We multiply the base. 3 4s are 12 and the power is 4. Right? Now, next one. In this, the power is same. So base is different. This. So this, how we can write? We can write this a power is m and b power is also m. So a power m and b power also m. Sometimes we convert this into this and sometimes we convert this into this. It depends on our question. So example for this, like if I write 2 power 3, the whole power is 4. So how we can write this? We can write 2 power 4 and this 3 power also 4. More example for this, like 6 power 2 and 4 power is 2. So in this case, we can write 6 upon 4, the whole power is 2. Now the third one, the last is, if a power 0, that is 1. A power 0 means instead of the a, there is any digit is there. So power is 0, that the 1. Like 3 power 0, that is, we can write this is a 1. If 6 power 0, that is a 1. If 1000, the power is 0, then that is again 1. I hope you understood this concepts. So this is video about the same power. In the next video, we will discuss the examples for this exponential power. So if you want exponential power, but in this video, we'll discuss when the exponent in the fraction form. So सबसे पहले हम ये देखते हैं इसका एक्चुअल में जनरल रूल क्या होता है एक्सपोनेंट पावर व्हेन द एक्सपोनेंट इन द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म लाइक if x exponent is a upon b, but the rule for this x b and power is a, right? This root sign is called a radical. That sign is called a radical, and this x is called a radicand. Radicand. Now let's example for this. Let's suppose कि अगर हमारे पास लिखा है 16 power 1/2. What we have to do in this? There are two methods to solve this. Like ये 2 है ना जो डिनोमिनेटर में, इसको हम क्या करते हैं? This will become a square root. One more example. If 16 1/3, so this denominator is become third root. Third root means cube root. If 16 1/4, then we have to find fourth root. Same, if 16 1/5 is there, then we have to find fifth root of 16. Here power is 1, then we can write the power is 1. Right? So if this type of the question like this, how we can write this? This we can write 16 1/2. If 16 1/2 is given, then we can write in this form. So it's depend on our question. Sometimes we have to convert into this, otherwise we have to convert into this again. Like saying if 16, one more example, 2/3. So this, what do we have to do? We have to find the third root of 16. Third root means cube root of 16. And the power of 16 is 2. Right? if this is the given, now how we have to write? So this 16 power 2 and this will become 1 by 3. This will become a power n power n. A power m power n. So m multiply n. So 16 2 1 by 3. That means 16 2 by 3. Understood? One more example. Okay. Now let's suppose again we take this example 16 1 by 2. How we solve this? How we find the answer for this? 16. There are two methods to solve 16. What is the factor of 16? 2 8s are and 2 4s are then 2. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 is 4 times. So this we can write 2 power 4. 16 we can write 2 power 4 and the whole power is 1 by 2. So this will become a power m whole power is n. So the rule is that a power m the whole power is n. That means what we have to do? We multiply. So in this case we multiply 4 multiply 1 by 2. Now we can convert into fraction form. So this 2 will cut away 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 the 4. Now 2 power 2. That means 4. So with the other method, how we can solve this? So this 2, the denominator is 2. So that means we have to find the square root of 16. So 16 and power is 1. Right? So 16 again we find the factors. So in this we have to find the square root. Square root means we have to make the pairs of 2 set. This 2, so this 2. So square root of 16 is 2 2s are 4. So 4 power 1 that means 4. And 2 power 2 that is again 4. So this is the 2 method. Next example. Let's suppose 81 3 power 4. 81 3 power 4. How we solve this? So in this the denominator is 4. So that means we have to find the fourth root of 81. And the power is 3. So fourth root 81. Factors of 81. First we start with 3. 3 to the 6. 3 7 the 21. So we have to find the fourth root. So we have to make the pair of 4 sets. So there are 3 into 3. There is a 1 set is there. So the fourth root is 81 is 3. And again the power is 3. Right? So another method. That means how we can write 81? 81 we can write 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 3 power 4. Right? So this we write 3 power 4 and the whole power 3 by 4. So again this will become a power m whole power is n. So with the ruler m multiply n. So that means 3 power 4 multiply 3 by 4. So we can convert into fraction form. 4 with 4 cancel. Now 3 power 3. This is same. One more example. Like if I write 81 3 power 4. Right? Otherwise, here if I write 8 1 by 3. So this again we have to find what? First method we have to find the third root of 8. Third root means cube root. So how we find the cube root? We find the factors. Factor here we have to find the cube root. So we have to make 3 pairs. So The cube root of 8 is 2. So 2 power 1, that is a 2. Second method to solve this, 8, how we can write the 8? 8 means 2 power 3 and the whole power is 1 by 3. Again, this will become a power m power n. That means we have to multiply. So 3 with 3 cancel. Again, 2 is the answer. It's the same. Right? This we solve like this way. We have to find the fourth root. Otherwise, 81. That means 3, 27, 9, 3. So this we can find 3 power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Right? So 4 with 4 cancel. 3, 4 multiply 3 by 4. That is 4 with 4 cancel. Now 3 power is 3. One more example, like this we solve. The question is like this way, 81, 3 power 2. Now, how we can solve this? So 81, the factor of 81 again, 27, 9, 3, 3. So this 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. This I can add 3 power 4, otherwise 9 power 2 also. If I make pair, 3 3s are 9, 9. So 9 power 2 also. So in this case, what do we use? We use 3 power 4 or 9 power 2. So if we use 9 power 2 in this case, like 81, I can write 9 power 2. And whole power is 3 by 2. So this a power m whole power is n. That means a power m multiply n. So again 2 with 2 cancel, 9 power 3. So it's depend on only on the question ki how we factorize this. 81 we can use 3 power 4 and 81 we can use 9 power 2. So it's depend on our question ki how we have to use this. I hope you understood this concept. More example in which exponent in the fraction form. Like 16 1 by 2. We discussed in the last video this 16 1 by 2. So what do we do that? In this 16 again 2. What are the factors of this? 2 8s are, then 2 4s are, then again 2 2s are. So 16 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So in this case, we can write 2 power 4. Otherwise, I can write 4 power 2 also. Right? How we solve this? So if I use 2 power 2, 16 as 2 power 4, then whole power is 1 by 2. Otherwise, I can use 4 power 2 also. 16 4 power 2, then whole power is 1 by 2. Now, a power m whole power n, again a power m whole power n. So what do we do in this? 4 multiply 1 by 2, 4, 2 multiply 1 by 2. So this we can convert into fraction form. 2 to the 4. So 2 power 2, that means 4. Or 2 is 2 cancel, 4 power 1, that is 4. So it depends only on the question कि we use 2 power 4, otherwise we can use 4 power 2. More example. Now we discuss in which the exponent, the fraction but with negatives, like 9 power minus 1 by 2. So when the exponent in the negative form, what do? We have to reciprocal the base. Now 9. What is the reciprocal of 9? 1 by 9. And this power will become positive. Right? Now 1 upon, how we use the 9? 9 we can write 3 power 2, then whole power 1 by 2. Again, this is a power m power n. That means 1 upon 3 power 2 multiply 1 by 2. then 2 cancel, so 1 by 3. One more example, like if I write 8, 27, and this is cube root. How we solve this? So in this, the exponent is a negative. So what we do first, what is our first step? We reciprocal the base. So 8 upon 27, we'll write 27 upon 8. So this will become positive. And here is the third root, that means cube root. I already explained, if this we can write a 1 by 3. So it's the same. Let's suppose 27 by 8, that is a, and this is 3. So how we write? We write 27 8 whole power 1 by 8. If a is 27 by 8, but in this case the power is 2 also. So what we do in this? So here we can write 27 upon 8 power 2, then whole power 1 by 3. Right? So 27. This is a power m, whole power is n. So that means 27 upon 8 whole power 2 multiply 1 by 3, that means 2 by 3. Now 27 and here is 8. So 27, there is power 2 by 3, and upon 8, that is also power 2 by 3. Right? So 27, how we can write 27? 27 we can write like 3 power 3 and the whole power 2 by 3, and 8, how we can write 8? 2 power 3, then whole power 2 by 3. Now what the next step? Again this will become a power m, whole power is n, that means a power m multiply n. So this we solve 3 multiply 2 by 3, and downside 2 a power m whole power is n, 3 multiply 2 by 3. So again we can convert into fraction form also. 3 with 3 cancel, then 3 power 2, and again 3 with 3 cancel, 2 power is 2. So 3 power 2 is 9. 2 power 2 is 4. So the answer is 9 by 4. So I hope you understood this concept, and next example we'll discuss in the power. So in this video we'll do more examples, like if I take 3 power 2 by 3 and multiply 3 power 1 by 5. In this, what do we do? Again, this is the a power m multiply a power n. That means a power m plus n, because the base is same. So 3 power 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 5. Now we have to take LCM for this. 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. LCM is 15. 5, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 multiplied 2 is 10. Plus 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 multiplied 1 is 3. That means 13 upon 15. So what the answer for this? That is 3 power 13 upon 15. This is our answer. Right? One more example. Like if I write 0.001, how we solve this? So first we remove the decimal, that means 1 upon 1000. 3. So this root 3, how we can write? 1 upon 1000 whole power. So 1000, how we can write 1000? That is 10 power 3, 1 by 3. Again 1 upon 10 power 3 whole power 1 by 3. So this will become a power m multiply n. So we will multiply 1 upon 10. 3 multiply 1 by 3. That means 3 with 3 cancel. That means 1 by 10. Right? One more example. Like if I write 1 upon 3 minus 2 multiply 1 upon 5 minus 2. So what do we do in this? In this, again the exponent is a negative. We will reciprocal. So that means we write 3 power 2 and this 5 power 2. So this is case 4 when the power is same. Then what do? We multiply the base. If a, b whole power is m. So we multiply. So 3 multiply 5, that is 15 and the power is 2. I hope you understood this concept. In the next video, we'll discuss some questions for our book. Thank you. Some question from 7th class book. So the question is 2 power 5 whole power is 2 multiply 7 power 3 and upon 8 power 3 multiply 7. तो इसमें हमने करना क्या है? We will follow some steps in this. So what we do? First we factor if the possible. Like in this 2 not possible, 7 factor not possible, 8. So 8 we can write 2 power 3. So first this 8. 8 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. That means 2 power 3. So instead of 8, we write 2 power 3. And again the whole power is 3 is given. So 7. 7, that power is 1. Right. Now this will become a power m whole power is n. Same. A power m whole power is n. When a power m, that whole power is n, then we have to multiply the powers. So a power m multiply n. So next step, 2 power 5 whole power is 2. So that means 2 5 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 3. Now same 2 power 3 multiply power 3. So 2 power 3 whole power 3 means power you multiply. Now 7 power 1. So this 2 power 10 multiply 7 power 3. Now 2 power 3 3 is a 9 multiply 7 power 1. Now next concept. So this the base is same and the exponent is different. So a power m upon a power n. What do we have to write? A power m minus n. So in this case we will subtract. So 2 power 10 minus 9 multiply 7 power 3 minus 1. 2 power 10 minus 1 is 9 is 1. Then 7 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 multiply 7 multiply 7. That is our answer. Now next question. 3 power 5 multiply 10 power 5 multiply 25 upon 5 power 7 multiply 6 power 5. So the first step in this, we factor. So 10, we can write 10, 2 multiply 5. 25, we can write 5 multiply 5. 6, we can write 2 multiply 3. So first 3 multiply 5, multiply. Instead of 10, we write 2 into 5. And the whole power is 5. We write same. And 25. 25 means 5 multiply 5. That means 5 power 2. So 25, we write 5 power 2 upon 5. Again, that means 6 power 5. So 6 power 5. 6, we write 2 into 3. So 2 multiply 3, then the whole power is the 5. Now, next step, we give the powers. So 3 power 5. Here, 2 power 5 and 5 power 5 also. Multiply 2 power 5 multiply 5 power 5 and again this 5 power 2 upon 5 power 7 multiply this 2 power 5 and 3 power 5 also. 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5 also. For the beginners we can do one thing is here. हम क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले सारे 2 वाले को पहले लिख लो 3 वाले को फिर then 4 then 5 like this ताकि हमें कंफ्यूज ना हो. तो सबसे पहले लिखेंगे 2 पावर 5 3 पावर 5 2 first we write 3 then 5 power 5 multiply 5 power 2 same 2 power 5 we write first then 3 power 5 then 5 power 7 5 power that is 7 right. But the next step now in this first we check any base is same, so this 5 and 5 is same and downside this is 2 this is 3 this is the 5 so not same. So this 2 power 5 we write same 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5. So this a power m multiply a power n is a power m plus n. We add the exponent. So 5 power multiply 5 power 5 plus 2 upon 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5 multiply 5 power 7. So this 5 power plus 2 is 7. So 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5 multiply 5 power 7 upon 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5 multiply 5 power 7. Next step. So this base is same and so what we do a power m upon a power m we write a power m minus n. So next step is 2 power 5 minus 5 multiply 3 power 5 minus 5 multiply 5 power 7 minus 5 7. So 5 minus 5 0 0 and 7 minus 7 again 0. So if the a power is 0 that is 1. So any digit power is 0 is equal to 1. So 2 power 0 is 1 multiply 3 power 0 is 1 multiply 5 power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 1. That is the answer. I hope you understood this video. 8th class book. So this question is 25 multiply t power minus 4 upon 5 power minus 3 10 then t multiply power minus 8. So what we do in this इसमें हमें करना क्या है पहले ये देखो इसमें कुछ बेस ऐसे हैं जिनकी पावर नेगेटिव है. इन दिस फर्स्ट विल रेसिप्रोकल द बेस की जिनकी पावर नेगेटिव है. तो सबसे पहले 25 वी राइट 25 t पावर माइनस 4. सो हमें इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा रेसिप्रोकल. डाउन साइड दिस 10 इज पॉजिटिव राइट t पावर माइनस 4. सो इसको रेसिप्रोकल t पावर माइनस 4 दैट मीन्स 1 अपॉन t पावर 4. तो 1 अपॉन t वी राइट 1 अपॉन t. दिस 1 अपॉन 5 माइनस 3 जब इसको रेसिप्रोकल करोगे क्या बनेगा 5 पावर 3. So this 5 power 3 can write. And this again t 1 upon t minus 8 is the reciprocal t. So we can write here t power 8. This. Now, what is the next step? We factor if possible. So 25. How we can write 25? 25 is 5 multiply 5. 5 times 25. Otherwise 5 power 2. And 10, how we can write? 2 multiply 5. Now, so 25 we write 5 power 2. Again 5 power 3. Then t power 8. Upon 10, that means 2 multiply 5. And t 4. So this power is 1, this power is 1. What is the next step? So first check this base is same. So what do we do? A power m multiply a power m plus n. So 5, 2 plus 3 multiply t power 8 upon 2 power 1, 5 power 1 multiply t power 4. Now next 2 plus 3, the power is 5 multiply t power 8 upon 2 upon 1 multiply 5 upon 1 multiply t power 4. Now this you can use a power m upon a power n is a power m minus. So this 5 minus 1 multiply t 8 minus 4 upon 2 power 1. Next 5 minus 4, 1 is 4 and 8 minus 4 is 4 upon 2. So 5 is 4. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, that is 625. Multiply t4 upon 2. This is your answer. One more question. Like 3 minus 5 multiply 10 minus 5 multiply 125 upon 5 minus 7 multiply 6 minus 5. So in this question again there are some base जिसकी पावर नेगेटिव्स में है. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, उन बेस को रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे. So this we write 1 upon 3 power 5. So in this there is 125 only, that is the positive. So this we negative, we write downside, we reciprocal, so that will become 3 power 5. This again we have to reciprocal, so downside. This is 1 by 5 minus 7. So when we reciprocal this will become like this. And 1 upon 6 minus 5, this will become 6 power 5. So this multiply 5 power 7 multiply 6 power 5. Right? Now, what is the next step? Next is factor. So 125, how we can write? 5 power 3. And 5 power 7. 6. How we write 6? 6 is 2 multiply 3. And the whole power is 5. Upon 3 power 5. And 10. 10 we write 2 into 5. And it's 5. 10 power 5. Instead of 10 only, we write 2 multiply 5. But this power is given, so we write 5. So 2 multiply 5 and the power is 5. Now next step. We'll give the powers. So 5 power 3 multiply 5 power 7 multiply 2 power 5 and 3 power 5 also. 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5 upon 3 power 5 multiply 2 power 5 and 5 power 5. 2 power 5 multiply 5 power 5. So what is our next step? This step is for beginners only. बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, तो हम पहले क्या कर सकते हैं कि फर्स्ट वी राइट 2 then 3 then 5 then 6 like this way. So first we write 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5 then 5 power 3 then 5 power 7. Again first we write 2 then we 3 then we 5. 2 power 5 3 power 5 5 power 5. So in this basing and this there is no basing. So 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5. This a power m multiply a power n. So we add the powers. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 upon 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5 multiply 5 power 5. So this 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5 multiply 5 power 7 and 3 10 upon 2 power 5 3 power 5 5 power 5. But the next step, now let's see this. Base is same. So 2 power 5 minus 5 multiply 3 power 5 minus 5 multiply 5 power 10 minus 5. So what do we do in this case? 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 10 minus 5 is 5. So this is 1 multiply 1 multiply 5 minus 5. So answer is 5 power 5. 256 and the exponent is 2 and that is the fourth root. So now what we can do in this? So 256 we can write 256, that is the 4 power 4. 256, if we do the factor, that is 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, that means 4 power 4. So 256 we write 4 power 4 and that exponent is minus 2 and fourth root. Now this, that is a minus 2, exponent is a minus 2. So what we do in this case? We have to reciprocal this. So 1, when we reciprocal this, we'll get this minus 2 will become positive root 2 and here is the fourth root. Now, what is the next step in this? Fourth root, how we can write the fourth root? Let's suppose this is x and fourth root is there. So we can write x, exponent is 1 by 4. Same, let's suppose this is the x. So how we can write this? 1 upon 4, that is 2 and whole power is 1 by 4. Now this is a power m, whole power is n. So m multiply n we do. So 2 multiply 1 by 4. So 2 multiply 1 by 4 we convert into fraction form. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 1 by 2. So 1 upon 4 power 4 and then is 1 by 2. Now next again 4, this is 1 by 2, this is also 1 by 2. Now what we do in this case? 1 by 2, that means equal to 1. So 4 a power m, whole power is n, so m multiply n. Now this again we can convert into fraction form. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 upon 4 power 2, that means 1 upon 16. Now next, now second example for this, let's suppose 64 power minus 1 by 3 and 64 1 by 3 minus 64 2 by 3. Now what we can do? How we write 64 first? That means 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. 64 equal to 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. That means 4 power 3. So 4 power 3 whole power 1 by 3. Next this again 4 power 3 and 1 by 3 minus 4 power 3 and whole power is 2 by 3. Now again a power m, whole power is m. So we'll multiply a power m, whole power is n, then m multiply n. So in this same case 3 multiply minus 1 by 3 and here 4 3 1 by 3 minus 4 3 multiply 2 by 3. Now we convert in fraction form. Now 3 with 3 cancel. Now 4 exponent is minus 1. Here 3 with 3 cancel. 4 power 1. Here 3 with 3 cancel. Now minus 4 power is 2. Now in this the exponent is a negative. So what do we do in this case? We have to reciprocal this. So 1 upon 4. This 4 power is 1 minus 4 4s are 16. 4 power 2, that means 4 into 4, 16. Now next step, here 4 power 1 is, that means 4. So 4 minus 16, that means minus 12. Now 4 3s are 12. So 1 multiply minus 3, that means minus 3 is the answer. Now one more example. Like 1 power 3 plus 2 power 3 plus 3 power 3 plus 4 power 3 and whole power is 1 by 2. Now how we can do this? In this 1 power 3, that means 1 into 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 power 3, 3 multiply 3 is 27. 4 power 3, 4 multiply 4, that means 64. And whole power is 1 by 2. Now 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64, that is 100. So 100 power 1 by 2. Now how we can write the hundreds? So hundreds, that means 10 power 2 we can write. I already explained like 100. 2, 50, then 25, then 5, then 5, then 5. So in this, how we can write? We can write 2 power 2, 5 power 2 also. Otherwise, we can write 2 power 2. It depends on our question, how we can factorize this. So if we write 2 power 2, then here is 1 by 2 also. Whole power is 1 by 2. So we can cancel 2 with 2. So we use, instead of this, we use 10 power 2. So this a power m, whole power is n. So m multiply n. So what do we do in this? Now we can convert into fraction form. 2 cancel, 10 power 1, that means 10. I hope you understood this concept. We'll do more question in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understood all the concepts. For more basic concepts, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.